Django TemplateSyntaxError. Static files is not a registered tag library. After upgrading to Django 3.0, I get the following template syntax error. Here is my template.
If you have any of the following tags in your template, then replace it with. You have to make this change because %load staticfiles% and %load admin_static% were deprecated in Django 2.1 and removed in Django 3.0.
Try %load static% instead of %load staticfiles%. If effective CSS or any other files doesn't reflect in your template, then also write following lines in the end of your settings.py file.
This worked for me using Django 3.1.4. It's working for me.
This worked with me. Replace %load static from staticfiles% with %load static%. Where? Go to your virtual environment venv and all of the HTML files in the directory.
If you want to see more, tap the consider subscribing.